Carrollton attorney, fed up that the city didn't hand over dashcam video of a traffic stop, has taken his case to federal court. The city's hired an outside law firm to fight that case. Fox 4's Lori Brown in the newsroom with the story.
Clarice, the federal lawsuit essentially accuses Carrollton of lying when the city initially said it did not have the technology to hand over the dash and body cam video of the traffic stop.
It was a simple traffic stop on North Josie Lane in Carrollton. The driver was cited for driving without a license and not having insurance, but wasn't sure why he was pulled over in the first place. Concerned he was racially profiled, he wanted video of the stop to find out more. But when his attorney, Stephen Le Brocq, requested the video, it turned into a costly legal battle.
She further stated that I needed to basically bring my own recording device, like an iPhone or a camcorder, and record the state's screen, so the computer screen. And I said, I'm not doing that because that's not what the law requires.
Le Brocq says the law requires the city to produce a duplicate.
The duplicate is exact replica of something. It's like saying if you go to a movie theater and take out your phone and record the movie screen, that's a duplicate of that movie. It's not. It's a video of a screen.
And Le Brocq says the video of the screen would also be lacking important details.
And I wouldn't be able to have any information which is embedded onto there, including where the officer was, when the brakes were activated, when the lights were activated. All that information is embedded into the software, which is why I wanted those original videos.
Le Brocq says at one court hearing the city argued that it did not have the technology to download the video. He later received an email from the city that the city did now have that technology. Suspicious of the timing, he filed an open records request for invoices showing the technology upgrade. The city sent back a bill for $7,056.
I don't believe it was a reasonable cost to retrieve 1 or 2 PDF files.
Le Brocq has filed a complaint with the Texas Attorney General about the records request. The city had this statement about Le Brocq's lawsuit. The city of Carrollton believes that when the facts are presented to the court, this federal lawsuit will be dismissed. Le Brocq says he just hopes the case will help others.
I'll spend whatever time and resources I need to make sure that justice is done in Carrollton.
The city has now released the video to Le Brocq, but he says he is continuing with his lawsuit anyway. He says he can't release the video to us since it is part of a criminal case. In the video, he says that the officer pulled the client over because he had dealer plates. His client explained that he had just bought the car. Clarice.